Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, July 12th. The Zen story for today is titled The Garden That Grew Wild. The governor's garden was the pride of the province, a place of perfect symmetry, each tree pruned to precise angles, each stone carefully placed, every flower arranged in neat, orderly rows. For 20 years, the gardener Naoki had tended it with unwavering devotion. In the middle of the night, a storm rampaged through the village. The winds howled through the garden, tearing petals from their stems and uprooting the smaller shrubs. Rain battered the soil, turning the paths into streams of mud. When the skies cleared, Naoki surveyed the wreckage in horror. His perfect garden was ruined. But before he could begin replanting, the governor arrived. Naoki bowed low. "I will restore everything at once, my lord." The governor studied the tangled vines, the wild scatter of blossoms, the branches swaying freely in the wind. And then he smiled. "No," he said. "For the first time, the garden is alive." Naoki hesitated. He had spent his life imposing order upon this land, yet now, in its untamed state, something stirred within him. He knelt and ran his hands through the damp earth, watching as a single butterfly landed on the untrimmed branch. That spring, he did not cut the grass too short. He let the wild flowers bloom where they pleased. The trees grew as they wished, their branches stretching freely toward the sky. And for the first time, Naoki felt at peace. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle, arriving in stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. When thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Where in your life do you try to impose control instead of allowing things to grow naturally? Where in your life do you impose control instead of allowing things to grow naturally? Can something be more beautiful when left unpaid? Can something be more beautiful when left untamed. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And also, I encourage you to check our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.